Hi there. My name is Raimundo Flores. I work for a company in structural engineering company in San Mateo. I'm here on a site visit. Now, there's really nothing going on here except this is a future. I don't know if it's an office. I'm not quite sure what it is, what it will be. But this is the first floor. We're in Pleasanton, California, and I just wanted to demonstrate what you do when you have an 11-foot high ceiling, and excuse me if that's poor quality, and all you have is a practical ladder you might get at Home Depot. So now this looks a little bit dangerous to get up there, and I admit I was a little bit scared because this is my first time doing it so high. But basically I managed to get this out from over there, and then I was able to get it higher so that it follows the 1/4 slope rule, or 4:1 depending on how you look at it. And this is in fact following it pretty plus or minus 10%, which I mean it's not too bad. Anyway, some more like 5%. But let me show you that it is in fact following it. So I take the measuring tape, and I measure the distance. It says 30 inches. That's in fact true. I mean, 30 inches approximately correct. And we now measure the height. Now this is somewhat difficult to get right when it comes to the flimsiness nature. I just kind of let it go, and then I'm trying to get all the way up there. So that shit happens. So excuse my language. That happens sometimes. You kind of just have to. All right. So make sure that it's just kind of straight the whole time without any micro. Now, I'm not showing the camera, I'm not showing it yet, but there it is, there it is. So now I'm all the way to the top of the ladder, and I'm going to try to keep holding it there, and trying to get this over here. So, as you can see, it says, there it shows 124 inches. So, we can go ahead, or I'm sorry, 134 inches. 134 inches. It's hard to read from here. So if we just go ahead and let that go, and so 134 divided by 30, it's about 4.47. So we're well within what we should be, even though, because the straighter it is, the better, because you're not going to slide in that case, pretty much, if it's just completely straight. But it's also dangerous if it's too straight, because then you might yank on it this way, and then you might fall that way. Anyway, I just wanted to show this video because this might seem dangerous to some people, and you might be in a small company and they can't really afford all this stuff. So yeah, let me show you that it's in fact safe, just to let you see me climbing up it. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it at this angle so that I can show you. Anyways, I'm taking pictures because this is essentially the reason why I'm here. But the thing is, I can't get all the framing because there's ductwork up there. And I'm using the surveyor. There's ductwork up there, that's the problem. So I'm going to try my best to get to do this again. It was, and we'll see where things go from there. This is the exact spot of where the wall is going to be that they're going to put in. And by the way, I'm not a contractor. I'm a structural engineer, but we still need to do this. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I don't know. I was already up here, so it may seem pointless to me. But actually, I'm going to get the surveyor, but I'm also going to get the flashlight because it's dark up there. So, and then just going to move this over. And by the way, notice I'm trying my best to not move this way, like that way, because it might, I might fall that way. It's not good, right? I'm trying my best. So I guess if you just do it this way, where you're not holding on to this part, you're holding on to the side, you're better off, probably. So anyway, but inevitably you're gonna try to do it that way. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to take more pictures. See, I think there's ductwork right here. There is, so I probably have to go somewhere else. If I really want to get things right. But I could use well, in order to measure the other stuff. The wide flange, what I'm really concerned about is the wide flange and the impossible things that might get in the way. So that might get in the way. The duct, and I don't know how big the duct is, but I mean I can't really get up there too well right at this from this position. But anyway, so as you can see, I was safe and everything worked out. Now I have to move it into another position so I can try to really get this thing going, working, or get accurate measurements and relevant measurements to do calculations and stuff like that. So thanks for watching.